Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do this one, feature wall, okay, and the cabinet of the cabinet, okay, like this. So our client they have AutoCAD also, okay, and the photo should be something like this, okay. So first thing now we need to know which one come out first So when we draw the polyline, we need to draw this one the area that come out, okay. So okay, continue. Let's try the AutoCAD file. Okay. So first thing you need to do is to check this one, see which one got polyline. This one is a polyline How you can see all joined together. That means it's correct. Okay. So like this one are not correct. You see this one all are line only. They are not joined together. So we need to draw polyline on it. Okay. So very simple. You just come to draw, click on polyline only, then you click on it, okay. I use another color so convenient for me to adjust. Okay, exit. Okay, exit color you can choose here okay. So I'll just draw it. Okay, polyline. Okay, exit. Polyline. Okay, a few moments later, okay, after I follow all the steps draw all this one, all complete the line, okay, and this one you just draw from here to here to here and here, come back and here, okay. After you draw already, then you save. Okay, save as. Okay, this file I'm gonna save as desktop. Okay, so I put it DXF remember, put DXF. Okay. Then after that, this one must put save here. Sorry, I cannot see. After save, okay. This one must click to DXF Remember the file must save as DXF. Okay, DXF. So I click save. Okay. This one only save exit. No. Okay. After that, I go to this one. We got two as we know, right? We got two. We got two from the drawing. You can see this is one only and this one is another one. Okay, so another one, we got the small one in here also, small one. Okay, so we need to edit this file also just to check whether it's suitable or not. Okay, this one also you see, so we do the same thing okay, make sure it's polyline. This one is a polyline and this one not necessary, we can delete. Okay. Okay, maybe before I delete, I draw a polyline first. This one is a polyline there. Okay, they are polyline together. Okay, before I delete, I draw a polyline here. So I'll just click polyline. Take here, take here, okay. Take here, take here, take here. After that, exit. Okay, exit. So this one you just highlight it, then you delete. Okay, highlight it. Okay, got two This one is select all. Or if you select like this, you only select the thing you blue color mean only select the thing you highlight. Okay, so delete. Okay, so same thing we do the same thing. Polyline. Polyline, just draw it only. Draw it only. Control Z. Draw it only. Make sure you join all the line. Okay, this one some problem, so I change the setting. Okay, let's move the exit. Okay, same thing we draw polyline on it. Okay, 1 2, 3, 4, 5, exit. Okay, another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, exit. Okay, another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, exit. Okay, simple as that lah. So let's say a few moments later. Okay, let's say a few moments later. So this one done already lah. Same thing, follow. Make sure all you got cover. Okay, then same thing, you save. Okay, save as, and here we put 2000 DWG. So make sure it's DXF lah. The file save as DXF. So this one I put DXF again lah. Just in case only. Save. Then we exit. No need lah. I save already. Okay, so we continue. Okay, so make sure you find the wall you want, then you click on it lah. Background wall design. Okay, so simple. You just right click, import modeling, local area, then select the file lah. So I select my bake DXF bake. This one. Okay, open. So the pattern has come out already. Simple as that. Okay, so now we're gonna make something like this one, like the picture here, or we're gonna make it exclude or exclude it. Okay, so I'm gonna make it exclude. Just click on zoom in, click on this one. Okay, so make sure you know the size lah. We give it 50 only, so you come out a bit 50. This one also give it 50. Just select it so you can see the pattern here. 50 may be too much. Is it too much? Let me see. Come out already. Okay, 50 may be too much. I'll change it 20 enough. 20. Like this. Okay, so you look elegant. Okay, click on it. Change the off the wall, the depth only. The depth only. Click on it. 20. Okay, simple as that. Click on it. 20. Okay, click on it. 20. So follow the sequence. This one, all the polyline you draw already, then click on it. Okay, off the wall, change it to 20. Okay, so let's say a few moments later, I continue to all this one. So let's say all of the banner, okay, I exclude already. As you can see, just change it to 20 only lah. Simple as that. Okay, you see, all of the banner I exclude already. Okay, after that, we're gonna do this one. This one, the cabinet. Okay, simple. You just right click, import modeling, local area. So you select the file you created just now, the small one. After loading done already, then we select the rectangle. Okay, this one, the rectangle, the whole thing. I'm gonna make it off the wall 400 lah. So you see something like this. Okay, after that you exit, return. Done already. Okay, not yet done. See the line. Okay, never mind. You go back. So 400, right? This one is 400. Okay, then the line, all the line also must adjust. So I click this one here. The line, click it here. This one, I make it 410. 410. Okay. 410. Enter. Okay. So you can see something. This one come up. 420. 420 lah. So you can see this one come out also. Come also. So you consistently do that lah. This one also 420. Okay, change it to 420. Enter. Okay, and this one also. Click it. Click on it. 420. Enter. This one also 420. Enter. Okay. This one also 420 enter lah. Or this one 420 correct. Okay, so let's say a few moment later I complete all this one 420 420, or just change it to 420. Those you want to come out, exclude, so you can see something like this. Okay, you can see something like this. You need to adjust your angle. Okay, something like this. Ta-da! Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.